That's why me drive with the car tint up. No, me not trust them. No one no bar, me no one link up.
Yo, pumpkin, come in the run out here.
You mad? You want me get licked till me mad, you? Yo, what you can do with I get? Let me go ask that. Ease yourself, the man. Daddy,
How that?
pumpkin man, you one boy. You can't go to the road.
No.
No.
Where you want to go there for?
You don't know what I go out there if you go do.
Curfew a one. Don't make 8 o'clock catch you out there.
Daddy, ease yourself, the man.
Alright, can't say me never tell you no. If you want to come back after 8 o'clock.
Boy, I said I get to there.
Watch ya. Hold on. When a curfew, you know where you're on the road, see me. Hold on.
Boy, I'm gonna see you coming up.
Yo, I like you tell man. Today I
White sky, white sky, white sky, white sky, white sky, white sky.
Take a one trip to the shop.
What?
Never know say me on a rice. So me go to road for a ride. We just get a link with the rice. And we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry. 3 days me no name from me girl left me.
Why you not
She's
saying?
such a hot girl. Credit if yo. Me no really want her back. She too beg. Me have a 50 pan me. Fi buy a bowler. And me really. Now make sure yo, when you subscribe to Eat Boss channel, let's eat. And go down there so and click the red button there. And make sure you say when you click the bell. Invite all of the girl them, your family member, and share to your friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd. Let's eat. Yeah. We have to show them a video for them watch it. Yeah. A new year. We need 2 subscribers.